Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create Nezuko on Just to Impress. I know this isn't the exact outfit she wears, but I just put something on so that you guys can see the vision for the adjustments and stuff. So no VIP needed. Select this outfit or recreate your own outfit. Actually, I'm just going to show you this part. So I did this headband in green. The first toggle, the position Y at 0.33, Z at 0.53, and next rotation at 0. Scale it down to 0.13. And for the bow, I just did the second toggle, position it at X 0.53, Y 0.55, Z 0.42, rotation X at 0.5, Y 0.23, and scale it down to 0.24. For the face, you can use custom makeup, but non-custom makeup works fine too. It's going to still cover the mouth, as you can see. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.